Well, now to the latest update on President Trump's executive order temporarily restricting travel from 6 Muslim-majority countries. After being barred by a lower court, Trump's travel ban has been once again blocked by a federal appeals court. CGTN's Nathan King has the details.
It was one of U.S. President Trump's first executive actions as president, but it is now still stuck in the courts. After a first attempt in January to temporarily ban travel from 7 mainly Muslim countries, there were mass demonstrations at airports and chaos as hundreds of people were detained. Courts temporarily stopped the ban, and then the White House revised the order, limiting it to 6 nations: Libya, Sudan, Iran, Syria, Yemen and Somalia. That also was held up by the courts, and now an appeals judge said if the ban was to come into force, it could cause, quote, irreparable harm to individuals across the nation. The judge also goes on to say that the White House executive order speaks with vague words of national security, but drips with religious intolerance, animus and discrimination. That will add to the argument that the ban is really aimed at Muslims as a group, not potential terrorists. There are other court rulings pending, but the stage is set for this to go all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court for a ruling, which means that a final ruling could be months away. In the past, the White House has criticized the court, but in reality, it has very little choice to either abide by the court's ruling or pass a law through the U.S. Congress, which could be very difficult. For now, visa holders from these 6 nations will be free to travel into the U.S. Nathan King, CGTN, Washington.